I've got another human-animal hybrid here, pictured on screen. Now, this character calls himself Ethan Rushock. Strange-looking character. Do you see the kangaroo in his face? Have a look at those shoulders. Straight down, suggesting that he's been created in a lab. A test tube baby. He knows it too, hence the Roo in his name. Right, that's no accident. It's another human-animal hybrid in plain sight. You should be asking yourself, why is it that I was the very first person up here on YouTube to start pointing these characters out?
You've probably noticed that I've been a bit lacking on YouTube lately. Where have I been? I only uploaded one video in August. This is my first September video and we're almost at the end of the month. And I just haven't been able to stick to my...
The human-animal hybrid program, spoken of in the Old Testament, never finished. And I've got hundreds of examples of characters like this. Now, we'll come across to this disinfo agent who calls himself Infinite Plane Society, Tim Osman. Right, he was running his mouth on panel about me with that other goose that I exposed, that Jake the arsehole.
Says, what do you think about the truth of Aaron Haywood? He says war is real and he's ready to celebrate upon Israel's victory in the war. Okay, he's one of two things, GSM. If he thinks it's real and he's ready to celebrate for Hamas or Israel, one of the...
Israel.
The other. If he thinks it's real, he is either A, a planted agent, or B, a dupe.
All right, so you heard that. Now we'll come across and have a look at the aerial footage here. Now, my language tutor lives in Israel. And I've seen footage. It's been sent directly to my email, which you won't see on the news. So do you think maybe I knew something? Do you think that the real disinfo agent and dupe is this guy here? Calls himself Tim Osman. It's just fucking incredible to me that in 2023, after BS19, this is the level that people are still at, where they still listen to actors like this that are trying to tell you that the war isn't real. Right, I can't take anything this guy says seriously ever again. Now, he also claims that non-humans don't exist. Claims that what I'm showing on screen are camera tricks. Right, he's a fucking agent. That's why he's hanging out with Jake Gibson. Right, clear as day, that's real. You can go and double check it yourself with the original images. Nothing but fucking agents up here on YouTube, running their mouth about things they know nothing about. But anyway, this is my last upload for a while. I've got some money to make and a lot of research to undertake.